Virgin Mobile Canada Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Virgin Mobile Canada plans and details are in the description below. Let's dive right in. Virgin Mobile Canada is a popular mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, that operates on the Rogers network, providing extensive coverage across Canada. Known for its flexible and affordable plans, Virgin Mobile offers options ranging from basic prepaid services to more data-heavy postpaid plans. Features include unlimited talk and text within Canada, data options from 3 GB to 20 GB per month, and a variety of perks like Virgin's loyalty rewards, where you can earn points to redeem for exclusive offers or discounts. Virgin Mobile also includes 5G access on eligible plans, making it a competitive option for those in urban centres. Virgin Mobile Canada is ideal for users who want a straightforward, affordable plan with solid coverage across most of Canada. It's especially good for those looking for flexible, no-contract mobile plans without the high prices of the big three carriers, Rogers, Bell or Telus. The main strengths of Virgin Mobile include its solid nationwide coverage, as it's powered by Rogers' extensive infrastructure and its loyalty rewards program, which sets it apart from most other carriers. Virgin is also a great option for families and groups, with discounts on multi-line plans. The carrier frequently runs promotional offers, making it even more appealing for budget-conscious customers. However, Virgin Mobile does have some limitations. Since it's an MVNO, it doesn't operate its own network infrastructure, and in some cases, you may experience slower speeds during network congestion compared to customers on Rogers' primary network. Another potential downside is that Virgin Mobile's plans can be more expensive than some of its budget-focused competitors, especially when compared to prepaid or no-frills MVNOs. Additionally, Virgin Mobile has fewer international roaming options compared to some other carriers. Overall, Virgin Mobile Canada is an excellent option for users who value reliable coverage, flexibility, and rewards. It's a strong contender if you're looking for a good balance between price and features. However, if you're looking for the cheapest option or need extensive international roaming, there may be more affordable alternatives. Check the links in the description for the latest Virgin Mobile Canada plans and pricing.